Welcome to Brown's Trucking. This is my first vlog on my GoPro. Kind of new at this. Well, actually I am. My son them kind of helped me out to get this thing going and all that. It's just something I want to try and just get into. Nothing special. Today I'm just gonna get ready to do oil change, not an oil change, but check my oil fluids and stuff today. Pretty much getting ready for tomorrow. Today is New Year's. Turn the camera around. This is my little day cab that I'm running right this second. It's an FLD 120 model. Got a little less than 40,000 miles on. Just got the engine rebuilt on it. Runs good. You know, we got plenty of stuff to talk about and get into as I start to get in this stuff slowly. We got a load of drywall. That's pretty much what I do every day. And you know, and then I just got in the groove last week to hauling bike sod, you know, coming back all the way up, pretty much like a backhaul load, you know, whatever you want to call it. But that's pretty much it right now. Like I say, for the day, that's my old KW there. Just sitting. My other FLD. This one got a 11.1 liter in it. It runs damn good. Actually, I got it turned up to 430. It's been sitting for about 8 months, but I believe I'm about to get back into that one because I'm about to change up my running. And then this truck here got a B cat in it. Bought it a little over about 2 years ago. I messed with it last year. I ran it for about 4 months. Excuse the light bend. That's something I did here at the house by accident. And but you got a damn good B model cat in it. This one here, as we getting into the videos and getting on, I might paint it and do some things to it, and maybe you know, sell it or raffle it out or so. But like I said, we got plenty of time to, you know, get into those things, and I learn, you know, my followers and all that good stuff, and vice versa. Now this truck here is a FLD here. I just bought this truck a week ago. I really bought it for parts. Actually got an E cat in it, E model 346E. But I actually bought it because of the hubs. I was gonna put the hubs on this 94 Freightliner here because it got buds, so that's one reason why I bought it. Got a very good doors, hood. Probably gonna take the hood off shortly, maybe in the next 2 months. And not sure yet. Maybe put that hood on this because this truck need a new hood. I'm not worrying about this truck here yet because, like I say, just soon I'll start on that. I was gonna keep this E model and put it in this 11.1, but one of my main good friends, he always wanted another block E model and he's wanting to dress up, so we made a deal or two, and he's going to get this E model. But other than that, the rest of the truck, you know, for parts and all that stuff, is gonna come in handy. And another thing too, Saturday I will be cranking this truck up Saturday to move it to one of my buddy's house. We're going to take these, I got one rear end already out. It's got 370s in it. We're going to take these out and stick the rims in this truck here. We're going to be getting it ready for up to June. You got we got 4 10s, 4 11s, one of the two in it, I think, whatever it is. But we're going to take those out, stick those 370s in here, and I'm going to keep this Detroit, this 11.1 in it because it runs damn good, like less than 500,000 miles. But we're gonna put a 13 speed in it, take that 10 out, and then we're gonna see what we got to do. And other than that, that'll be it for today.